In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok live lags. So first, open up your TikTok app, go to your profile, then on the top right, click on the three dots, then click on Settings and Privacy. Then you want to click on Data Saver, that is the second option under Cache and Cellular, and make sure the Data Saver is turned off because it basically reduces your data consumption when using cellular data. Videos may be at low resolution or take longer to load. This won't apply when you're on Wi-Fi. So that's the first step to do it. The second step is to go to your browser, type in feedback TikTok, click on the first link, then enter your email address, username, topic, how we can help, and say my TikTok lives are lagging for some unknown reason, and then they will tell you a solution to fix it. Or inside the app, go to report a problem, then you can go down and click on submit a problem, and you basically just tell them what the issue is, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.